In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning flowchart using Canva. Whether you need it for work, school, or just for personal organization, Canva makes it simple and intuitive to design a professional-looking flowchart. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, open up Canva on your computer or mobile device. Canva is a powerful and user-friendly graphic design tool that's available both on the web and as a mobile app. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the screen and type in flowchart. This will bring up a range of templates specifically designed for flowcharts. The beauty of using Canva is that you don't have to start from scratch unless you want to, making it perfect for both beginners and more experienced designers. As you browse through the options, feel free to choose a template that best fits your vision or needs. You'll find a variety of styles, each with its own unique flair and structure. Once you've set your sights on a template that resonates with you, click on it. This will bring up a preview along with the option to customize this template. By selecting this option, you're opening up a world of possibilities to tailor that template to your exact needs. Now comes the fun part, customization. Canva's editor will allow you to click on any element in the template to start personalizing it. You can begin by changing the text to match the information you need for your flowchart. Simply click on any text box and start typing to replace the placeholder text. In addition to modifying the text, you can also adjust the colors to better suit your aesthetic or brand palette. You might want to align it with company colors or your favorite palette, making it more cohesive. Moreover, Canva allows you to change the font style too, giving you full creative control over the vibe you're going for, whether it's casual, formal, or somewhere in between. Want to make it even more unique? You can add elements from Canva's extensive library, like icons, shapes, or images, to enhance your flowchart further. All you have to do is explore the Elements section and drag whatever you like directly into your design, positioning them where they best fit. Once you've finished customizing your masterpiece and you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to download your flowchart. Look for the download option in the top right corner of the screen. Canva gives you several file format options to choose from, depending on how you plan to use or share your flowchart. And there you have it. You've now created a personalized flowchart using Canva, ready to be used in presentations, reports, and wherever else it's needed. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.